Hey y'all, I found something new and I want to share with you. I've actually been having this Michael Malo fragrance for a while. This is Citizen Jill. I have yet to open it. It still has the stickers on it. So I want to finally open it and see what the fragrance is. I did like a blind buy on this one because I heard the reviews are really well. In addition to that, I actually did get the signature um, scent, the scent library, so that I can test out all of the other scents that he has as well. Look at that, beautiful. I'm actually going to try this out in another video, but as for right now, I am here to see what Citizen Jill is giving. Okay, I also got, in addition to the Citizen Jill, I got like a, not a tester, but like just a side one. So I got the Citizen Jack as well. All right, and so I'm gonna see what the Citizen Jill smells like. So, all right, so let's get into the Citizen Jill and see what we are working with. Get into this box first. Okay, broke into that bad boy. All right, so here we go. Look at that. Nice cushion. I actually love the outside of the box. Did I say that? I love the picture on it, like the horizon. I love that. Okay. Ooh. I was wondering what hue I was seeing. Look at that. That's beautiful. This matches. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited. Let me get into it. This matches the box. Hold on. Let me show you the back. See that? I love it. Another thing I just noticed, I'm gonna put this down for a second. I love that it has the notes on the back of the packaging. I cannot tell you how many times I've had to look up the notes of a perfume that I have purchased and to try to figure out the notes, because I am still newer in my like perfume journey on like discovering new scents, and so I have to go look it up. Of course they have sites for it, but like it would just be so much more convenient for me to know exactly what is in the scent if I don't know those notes right off the top of my head, right? So top notes: bergamot, citron, ooh, de joux pear. Okay, get my French on. Mid notes are poppy, jasmine, lily of the valley, and the base notes are velvet, musk, amber, vanilla, and sandalwood. That sounds like a beautiful pairing. Let's get into it. Yeah, let's just get into it. It's like the simplicity and chicness of it all. I'm just here for it. Yeah, let's see. Hold on. Trying to make sure I'm not breaking anything. Okay, so it just pops off. All right, here we go. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yes, Michael. Woo! Michael, listen. Okay? You and the team over there, y'all keep doing what y'all doing, okay? All right? Y'all in London? You across the pond over there? All right. Now, y'all doing it on that side. I like this, Michael. I'm I'm looking forward to opening up the discovery set to see what else yeah. You did that with Citizen Jill. And I may add that Citizen Jack is a wonderful fragrance as well. Citizen Jack, it does it as well. You did that. I've had this fragrance for, oh gosh, I bought it like 2 or 3 months ago. I'm just now getting to it. And I said, what a perfect time to open it up during the holidays so I can do some smelling good. But yeah, I have so many other fragrances to get to that have just been sitting on the shelves, waiting to be opened, waiting to be discovered. And I'm gonna get to them with everything else. But Citizen Jill, I mean, I just sprayed it on my wrist and it smells so good. Michael. And then the name. Yeah, I should have known. Malu. Okay, that was me being Nancy. Okay, Michael, you did that. You and the team did that. Okay, I'm loving it. Citizen Jill is a hit. It's about to go on the shelf and get used. Yeah. Those notes, those combination of the notes. Are you kidding me? Y'all trying to cause. I see what y'all trying to do. I see what y'all trying to do over there, Michael. Citizen. You're trying to make some more citizens. Good thing I already made some. All right, you know what? That's my review on this one. If you have this fragrance, if you smelled this fragrance, if you have smelled any of the other ones that I will be doing in the next video of the discovery set, let me know. Let me know what y'all think specifically about this one, about Citizen Jack, about all of them. All right, that's it. Look forward to part 2. I'm gonna go through the discovery set. I don't know if I'm gonna smell them all, but I'm definitely gonna go through and show them. I might have to sit down and oh, the thing I love about the discovery set, it has like the testers. I love when they have those, so you know you can smell them too. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that on the next one so I can let y'all know. But for me, this is a fragrance that I would most definitely wear. Oh gosh, I feel like it's a beautiful office scent. But it also can be a scent that you would wear to a non-professional setting, like to brunch or hanging. Like, it's just a really nice, fun scent. I don't feel like it's too formal, but in the same instance, it can be. It could be used in that setting as well. But I think it's like an overall, overall scent, overall fragrance. I really love the way it smells. Like, my God. My goodness, I'm basking in the spray on my arm, and it's wonderful, y'all. I'm not even gonna just go look at the other reviews. I gotta tell you. Anyways, I found something new and I had to share it with you. So hope y'all like it. Bye.